She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to say. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, she tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. Yeah. So baby, rock-a-bye. Rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you go.
If you can find the eggs, what are we looking at in terms of hiking?
To be honest, they're not too big. So it is a little bit steeper and it's quite.
The reason that today you're all cut up and I'm show the folks at home your legs are all licked up. These are the best leggings you have and they're all shredded and they're all cut up.
Yeah. See, the thing is that we have to
you have run through sections like this section's called Living Hell and this one's Early Days. Anybody just watch those stories while you're going to get medicine?
Unfortunately, yes.
They say it's for medicine, but doesn't have any healing effect.
Yeah, it's made from a keratin, which is actually the substance of our nails. So if you chew your nails, the consequences will be the same if you swallow or grind them.
That's where
Half of my heart is in Havana, He took me back to East Atlanta, Half of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners, Havana. He didn't walk up with that how you doing. When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't without you. I'm forever in a minute. That's on my night. Papa says he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na. Havana, ooh, na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. Oh, but my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, na na.
Just graduated fresh on campus. Fresh out East Atlanta with no mountains down. Fresh out East Atlanta, bump like a traffic jam. I was quick to pay that girl like Uncle Sam. Here you go, hey, take it on me. Shout the craving on me, get the beating on me. She waited on me, damn. Shout the caking on me, got the bacon on me. This is history and I'm making on me, on me. One night close range, that me. If it goes a million, that's me. I was getting moolah, baby.